What is up? Put this over here. Okay, I got some Amazon stuff up there. All right, I don't even know where that came from. So, what is up? All right, we want to get rid of that here. All right. Hello, test 1, 2. Oh, okay, I gotta turn this down. All right, y'all. So, happy Friday. This is another video where we are live, and I'm trying to let me get the link in the description so you could join me. And I don't care how many people join me. We're gonna try to do this and have fun. And if you don't come in, I'm gonna have to have fun by myself. Here is the link. There we go. All right, so I got the link in the description. Let me see. So you got to bear with me. Come on, man. Oh, guess I gotta hit those. Yeah. That's it. There's the link. All right, so it looks like I got the link in the description. I got the CNBC page up. I think you see the CNBC page. Yeah, I'm looking at the video, and I do see me in the corner. So what is up, everyone? This is Dre Trades, and this video is going to be fairly quick unless you come in and want to join me. Now, remember, if you join me, you don't have to show your face, okay? You could hit the no video button and be audio only. All right, so that's awesome. Be audio only. I think it has your name up there and whatnot, and you can go by that. Yes, indeed. Let me see. Bring my Zoom things over here. Let's see here. Bring this over here. Is this my window? And we can bring that right there. Still trying to work this thing out. Yeah, I can't. Where's my Zoom control? All right, so here we go. How about if I do that and go? No. Let's see. Yeah. All right, yeah, that sounds good. All right, so let me see. I don't know if we can have anybody in here. I think it's me. All right, so just so the rewinders, the aftermarket people, the replayers, just so the replayers have good content, good replay value. I'm going to go ahead and go over. I'm just going to start talking, and hopefully it works. Hopefully you guys see the link and you can come in and join in. But other than that, I'm just going to do the normal video like I normally do. All right, so here we go. Crazy day in the market. The VIX is up. This is what I was talking about before yesterday. Remember, all right, so we was down 500 points. Why? Because Trump has coronavirus. So does his wife. You see that face? See my face right here? I kind of don't believe it. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at that. All right, just gonna leave it at that. But anyway, that's what they tell us. He has coronavirus, so the market's tanked. Like they was down like 500 points in the futures. It was crazy. And we rallied all the way back, So here's the Dow. The Dow's up just down 35, S&P down 21. NASDAQ is still getting crushed, all right? Down 202 points. Russell's up nicely, almost a percentage. I mean, 0.75%, but VIX is up, so VIX is still rising. And, it's a lot of, him having coronavirus brings a lot more uncertainty. And so where's my FinViz chart? So let's go ahead and look at the heat map. And when you see the heat map, you see the biggest companies. Those are the biggest squares. And generally, these are the ones moving the markets. If they're green, everything is green. If they're not, so if they're down today and everything else is green, I could probably close my eyes, throw a dart and hit a green. But as long as I kind of aim it, a little low, right? Don't shoot high, because the Google, Apple, they all down. And let's see, Google is down the least. I actually have a trade on Google. I sold some puts. I sold the 1400, like 1350 put spread on there, and I hope that holds up. All right, so that's what I did there, and I'm gonna hope I'm just gonna hope for better days. It was actually bullish action today. I didn't even pull up a chart. Just being down 500 points in the futures to be where we are right now, I think that's huge, even under the circumstances that he has coronavirus. I think we have to understand that he has the best of care. He's gonna have the best in the world. He ain't gonna have to worry about getting ventilators and the drugs, and he's gonna have everything he possibly needs. Everything. So he's gonna be all right, in my opinion. There's really nothing to worry about. At least he gets the antibodies, and then now he can really run around without a mask and say, "Ha, I got it." So let's go ahead and pull up the stocks. I mean, the charts and see what I got going on. Now, I'm going to show you my screen. This is what I got going on. I haven't pulled this up in weeks, all right, because I was losing a lot of money. I had to focus and concentrate. And now you could see that I can make that a little bigger. Let me put this down in the corner like I normally have it. Okay, so now you can see that. Now you can see that. Yeah, I haven't put this up in a week. I was losing a lot of money. I was kind of focused, and I'm kind of back to where I was. Everything's all good. Why am I back? Why am I back to where I was? Why? One stock, actually two stocks, Peloton. This is one. I gave this to y'all, man. I gave it to y'all. Y'all should be like having, if you follow me, you should be up thousands, okay? Thousands. Oh, man. All right, I'm just zooming here. I gave it to you kind of going up here into the earnings, and then it fell back down. I said, and I gave it to you again. I made a bunch of videos on, man, you got to get in it. Don't worry. They always go back to growth. Don't worry about the economy closing or opening up. Just get in it, get in it, get in it. Right. So I rode it up here to earnings. I kind of lost money going down. Granted, I did not get out. But when it got down to the 80 area, I bought more. So I rode it back up again. Then I got out on this one right here. See that? Got out. And then I got back in. So I played that little dip nicely just because it seems to always sell off there. And, it was a tough area to get through that 100. It's hard selling. But now we broke through. And it just seems like we went as high as 110. What was that today? Let me see. Pull up the daily chart. Yeah, it looks like it was today. So as high as 110. And I guess we go higher, man. This is a level of consolidation. So this should actually run. Should run a little bit. The markets, there's not a lot of places for growth. There's just not. That's why it seems to be the same stocks over and over again. That personally I don't like, but it was kind of cool that we saw the IWM up 0.75, right? So this is a kind of making a play, so I like that, making a higher, making them stairs, boom, 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 higher lows and even higher highs. If I count this one, oh, shoot. There we go. I count this one. Let's get rid of this window right here. I'm just sitting here looking at the market come down. The Dow was down 57 points. So as we go into the close, it's 350 on a Friday. It is October 2nd. Yeah, seems like to be selling off a little bit. But, look at that. So maybe we can make a higher high on this run right here, right? This current run. So let's see. We'll see. Here we go. A little 5 minute. So anyway, that's what's going on. The other stock, I hate looking at the same stocks, but unfortunately, that's the ones that's going up. And DraftKings look like it's at the high of the day. It's funny because way back here, right? Way back in my videos, I told y'all to buy this thing. And let me tell you something. I bought the 45-65 call spread that goes out 2 years from now. And we're at $65 damn near in a month. It was unbelievable move. If I count this bar to there, up 80% in 23 days. Unbelievable. I mean, it's just, they fucked up my trade. I hate when that happens. Now I gotta, you know, 2 years. I mean, it's already at my long strike. And the reason why I sold the 55, because it was the hard, it was the farthest one away. You know, here I am, actually a year. That's good. At the time I did it, this 65 strike was the farthest strike out. So you can see they added some more strikes because the thing is just ripping. Now they set the 90. So I might roll this into this. I just might do that. Where I buy the 65s and go ahead and sell those 90s to give me some more time, more room. Or I might just leave it like it is. You know, I don't know. I made a lot of money already in it, so I might just kind of do that. But this DraftKings is it's just on fire, man. It's unbelievable. This was the perfect pattern. I mean, this is exactly what you want to see. It played out just like the book said it should play out. So the volume, I mean, I hate to say it, it's really just getting started. It's getting started. Now I'm not saying it's gonna keep going straight up, but it's gonna go higher. Yeah. So that's what makes me. I'm waiting for like a low day. If I'm thinking about rolling those calls, I'm waiting for a day we just down, and then I could probably roll them out. But even today, it just came out. I mean, every day this thing is up. Pull up the daily, and then even when it's down, it's just up. It's just every day, and I don't like stocks like that. Here was a dip. I remember that dip, and I considered buying more, but I was like, you know what? I got enough. It's only $50. I sold the 65 strike. I got plenty of time. It's $15 away. Man, it gets there in a couple of days. So from here, when I was thinking about that to here, it got there in 10 days. So unbelievable, But, that's what's up, man. Hey, that's the babes. Babes in the house. You want to jump in? The link is in the description. Oh man. So that is that. What else do I want to talk about? We could talk about Amazon. Man, I did my videos. Oh man, maybe I should show y'all. Come over here for a minute. Trying to find my channel. And we click videos. Yeah, I'll bring this over here real quick. And you can see my channel, Dre Trades. Anyway, there we go. We got 2 watching, but I'm not getting a lot of views on this. So I'm very disappointed because these are really good videos. I talk about how Amazon, we had a price target increase of $4,500. And I just looked at some charts to see if it can get there or not. And yeah, I think it can, but I don't know if it gets there tomorrow. But so we look at some charts. That's pretty exciting. And then we do the technical analyst on the FANG stocks. Now bringing the Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Google, Microsoft. We talk about all of those stocks and see how they're doing. And the reason why I'm picking those stocks is because I want to I'm trying to, these are the stocks you're interested in. I'm trying to, if you talk about me, there's nothing to really talk about. I'm just a guy. I'm just making some money. And I don't know if y'all care about that. I think you only care about the Amazon or the other things. I don't know. Anyway, so then I talk about these 2 hot stocks, Peloton and Twitter. That's right, Twitter. Let's look at Twitter real quick. I kind of pulled out a little bit of my Twitter. And who's it? Participants too. Let me see something. Enemy. Oh, she's in the waiting room. I had somebody in the waiting room. All right, babe. That's my babes. I'm bringing you in. Let's bring you in over here. There you go. You have to unmute yourself. Oh, look, she has her picture and with me in the background. You have to unmute your mic, baby.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, there she goes. Look at that. My number 1 fan live. Such a number one fan. I'm right behind you in the background. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, look
See,
at that.
I don't see myself on there, so I don't
Mhm.
know what I look like.
You don't see yourself on the screen?
No,
It's coming, I think. Yeah. Do you see my stock screen?
I see your stock screen.
And you don't see this window right here?
I don't see any window except the stock screen.
Okay. Well, all right, I'll put it right there. Anyway, so we was talking about Twitter, babe. This is Twitter because I showed him the video where I said, hey, the hot stocks, Peloton, Twitter. And there's the line. You can see the breakout. It's a beautiful breakout after years and years and years, finally breaking out. One level I think we got to worry about. Well, the first of a couple of levels is that one right there. And we're kind of at the double top, right? And we're kind of down today, about 0.9%. So maybe we could bust through that. And if we can, we possibly can make some money off of that. What do you think, babe?
Well, I logged you on so I could see you.
Oh, okay. Oh, see, she's just trying to see me. She don't care about the stock trades. I'm showing stocks and she's like on another phone doing her thing. You just
Yeah,
have to trust me that I'm here. I'm
yeah,
here.
yeah. You're on there though, babe. You're on the video.
Let me see. I got the video right here, actually. Wait a minute. You don't see my stock screens?
I see this. This, whatever this.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me, no. We got to share a different window here. We're sharing the wrong window.
Oh,
This is what so it follows that window, don't matter where I put it. I'm just now realizing that.
there we go. I see it now.
All
I don't
right,
see
yeah, so,
me. I'm not
right.
on there, but I see that.
Okay. So I didn't know that. I thought you guys would be on there. I got to figure out how that works, so that's weird.
Yeah.
Now I lost my monthly. There we go. So you see that breakout happening right there?
Yeah.
Let me remove this channel. You see that? Yeah, look at that. See how it's just now coming across? See the cup and handle?
I see it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So there it goes, off to the races. So that's one of the stocks I like. So yeah, I'm glad every week I'm learning how to work this. So you got to be patient with me. So now I know if I take this window and drag it to my other monitor, it stays on there. It doesn't stay on my screen. It stays on the program. So that's what I thought. So I'm going to have to kind of work on that. And then I talked about, of course, we talked about the Peloton already. I don't know if I had it on the screen though. Anyway, there it is, just straight up. So me and you did a video on that, babe.
Yeah, we
And I was
did.
saying, buy Peloton. I said,
Yep.
don't worry about the gyms opening.
Yep. You said that.
I said all of that. And there it is. Higher. So anyway, all right. So let me go back to my other videos, which is, where are they? Got to be patient. I got windows all over the place, open all over the place. Well, there's the market. All right, so you see the videos?
Yeah.
So here we are. We was talking about the Peloton plus dividends. And I talked about how I bought Altria, right? That's the Philip Morris. And I know in those videos I was saying Philip Morris. It's just being old school. It's kind of like we all say Google, but it's alphabet, so I'm sorry about that. But I say Philip Morris, but it's Altria. I picked up some AT&T today. Yep, I picked up some. I'm looking at these shitty stocks to try to catch these juicy dividends like I have here. Looking to buy this juicy dividend.
Babe, there we are.
Yeah, where? Yeah, babe, I'm up here though. You're 3 videos down. Yeah, so you can see 2 weeks ago I was talking about the Peloton, talking Peloton stock and gyms reopening trade. And for the most part, I'm saying buy. Don't worry, because that's when they was selling it off. So I made a video about don't worry. And here you could see where I'm like, Peloton, what the F? Meaning it was selling off. And then I made the next video. I said, don't worry. You can see 3 weeks ago, I said, buy DraftKings, right? So you can
Yeah.
see it. Facebook, I'm out. You see what happened with Facebook? Plus Snow and DraftKings. We talked about that. So, and I here I've got the Peloton, 2 hot stocks I like and 2 I don't. And it was Peloton and DraftKings, and they just been the ones making me money, just going up every day, no matter what the market does. So eventually that's not always going to happen. It's eventually that kind of trade will stop. But I guess I don't know, man. I it makes me nervous when things are going there. Here you can see why I sold Peloton stock, right? Because it reached that level of resistance. I sold it right at the top and then I got back in it. Yes, here it is again. I'm buying Peloton stock. So everybody, you see, and I just totally played it. But 77 people might have got a chance to get in over here. Just different. What is moving over there? Oh, okay. I'm looking at the video. Basically, so I'm trying to get more you guys to kind of see what's going on. I got market crash coming here. That didn't happen yet, but today was kind of scary. Actually, there was another scary day. I think right here, the stock market looks terrible. But this, I don't know. I don't know when that's coming. You never know. Nobody knows when the crash is coming. Otherwise, the crash has got to catch everybody.
Yeah, you got that. You got one that says market crash.
Right here, coming.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it didn't come yet.
No.
But it's been selling off, so talked about Zoom.
The fake coronavirus positive.
Mm-hmm.
No offense,
Yes.
viewers.
What's up?
I said no offense to your viewers.
About what?
How Trump faked the coronavirus.
Let me see. What do you see now, babe? Do you see us together?
Yeah. I see me and you.
Okay. Yeah, there we go. Show non-participants full screen. There we go.
Wait, they see me now?
Yeah, they see you nice and big
Oh,
now.
I have to stop chewing cheeses then.
So you woke up this morning, you saw your phone,
Mm-hmm.
and you got a notification that said
Trump tested positive.
coronavirus and his wife. You don't believe that?
No,
Why you don't believe that?
because first off, he doesn't know how to handle the debate.
Right.
That's the only reason. That's why I don't believe it.
Yeah, because I actually personally think that his tactic for him to win a debate, like we heard, you guys probably listen to. If you listen to debate, you know how it was him, not Biden, him that was cutting off everything Biden was saying. And I actually don't think that was by accident. I think that was his tactic.
Yeah, but it's very embarrassing for the United States.
Right. He
To
went into
have
it.
a
So
president that does that, like a 5-year-old.
if a business, if you can't talk, right? If you don't let him speak, you can't hear him, and therefore you win the debate. I think that's his thinking. So after the debate, they're talking about, oh, we're gonna cut the mics off now, right? He still has to agree, but I don't think he wants to say, no, I don't want to cut the mics off, because now you're looking like bad. You don't want to say, no, I want the mics to stay. Otherwise, so how do you get out of a debate where they want to cut the mics off?
You pretend to be sick.
You get
something that has to isolate you, which would be the coronavirus.
Right. So personally, I got, I'm all into the conspiracies.
They need to make him do the debate. They can do that via video.
Like this, like we're doing.
And they can mute his mic.
I guess, but then again, you could have somebody like right off to the side here that's kind of giving them the answers and you won't know it.
Yeah.
So that's the one thing about it as well, that where it won't really work that good. But when he gets back, 14 days, hopefully he's good. I have a feeling, I'll throw this prediction out there, that he is going to have some complications where it's longer than 14 days.
Mm-hmm.
or where,
Oh
he's
yeah.
still got a fever. And then next thing you know, we're 3-4 days in front of the election, and then just won't be no debate. And we go into the election, and then he'll be feeling.
Or he'll get this fake miracle vaccine.
Where so if he gets the vaccine, then it makes us go, oh, we should get the vaccine. You never know. You never know. So if you have I wish there was more people on here, because I would love to get your opinion. But if you're not here, just go ahead and leave your opinion in the comments, because I read them and so do you.
Yep.
Yeah, she's eating
But
on my
that's the
video.
great thing. Like, difference of opinions. It's a great thing, because if we all said the same thing, then somebody's not telling the truth.
Right, right.
So, but there's a way to do it, a very respectful way to give your opinion.
Okay.
So don't be nasty in his comments.
That's right, because it's just, it's just opinion. Everybody can have an opinion, and nobody's opinion's right. And I'm not saying I'm right. Deborah's not saying she's right.
Oh,
Just what she is, it's her opinion. It's my opinion. What's your opinion? Put it in the comments below, and and help. So that's it. I see I have someone in here. You're welcome to join. Oh, I think they left. I think they left as fast as they came in.
probably.
Huh? Oh, yeah. My other number one fan.
Yeah. But no
Yeah,
one tops me. But anyway,
that's right. That's right. All right. So my number 2 fan.
yeah.
Yeah. Well, let me see if I get the thumbs down. No, I don't get the thumbs down yet. Mm. So anyway, thanks for checking in, the video.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm just going to go ahead and get back to the stock screen.
Okay, babe.
All right,
Do you
sweetheart.
want me to hang up?
I'll go ahead and remove you. How about that?
Okay, go ahead, babe.
All right, I'll see you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
All right, so she's gone. I got the meeting up. The meeting up. I got the stock screen up, and we're gonna go ahead and, like I said, Peloton and DraftKings is the only thing. It's been one of the best trades I had in a long time. I just got to make sure I don't overstay my welcome. And I want to talk about 2 more stocks real quick, where I talked about the Philip Morris, that I went in and scooped up those dividends, and I'm really liking what I see so far. I mean, this is a crazy, crazy downtrend, and we might have some kind of temporary bottom. So I got in early. It's trying to recover. Still a little early. It's hard to tell. This is the monthly. Let's pull up the weekly. You can kind of see what's happening. You see what was happening before: down, up, down, up, down, down, right? And kind of a higher low, and then up, little sideways, down. So it seems like maybe something's here. Maybe we get some stability here, but it's okay. It's okay if we don't. And I bought another cheesy, shitty stock that's actually doing an H pattern, but I like the stochastic. I like the level, and it's AT&T. I'm not a big fan of this one either, but they come in and they paying a big juicy 7.25% dividend. There's only going to be one chance for us to get these kind of juicy dividends, when it's only going to be one, and that's now. So basically, I have a plan. My strategy is it's not all growth. Okay. It's like, I'm willing to collect a dividend. I'm willing for the stock to do shit. And I'm willing just for me to collect 7% on my money for a long time. And I'm going to hope that they maintain the dividend and able to pay it. I mean, AT&T has good cash flow. Everybody in the damn country is paying them $100 a month. But they also have a lot of debt, and they got a lot of legacy platforms on cable, Time Warner and DirecTV, and everybody's cutting the cord with these guys. So the only thing they got left is the cell phone, and they coming out with I can't think of everything that they're doing. Some streaming platforms. I can't remember what they have. So hopefully that, and they have, they still have the football shit. What's the Sunday ticket? And I think this is a good year to have Sunday ticket because everybody, you got to watch the games at home, right? So they might do real well with the Sunday ticket this year. Not that they don't do good the other years, but this is the year nobody's at the games, right? So yeah, so anyway, that's it. So I'm in this one for the juice. And I'm in Philip Morris for the juice, and I've been looking at trying to scoop up some of the stocks like that. Here's Caterpillar. I was in these earlier, way down here somewhere, but it's starting to get toppy now. What is that one stock that I was interested in? Gosh. Oh, I'm having a brain fart. I can't even think. Emerson, I don't know who we got up in here. What's that? Gavin Madonna. Gavin, you're coming in. You're gonna have to unmute your mic. Okay, you're not coming in, I guess. You said asked, yeah, I asked to unmute you. Anyway, so I can't think of the other stock that I was interested in. I don't know. It's starting to make me go, huh? I'm just having a brain fart here. Hello? You want to hear Gavin? I'm having technical difficulty. Yeah, I don't know if he wants to be on, so I'll just go ahead and mute him. What's up? Okay, yeah, he kind of came in and out. Anyway, so yeah, that's Caterpillar. Gosh, you're making me have a brain fart, man. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just trying to scoop up the crap, but yeah, this one is starting to get toppy. Let's see something, Deere. This is a stock that I wanted to get in. Yeah, look at Deere. Deere looking like a tech stock. Look at that thing, man. I tried to get in down here. I don't know what happened. I can't remember what happened. I missed it, but look at that thing, man. And it's up 2.63% today on this down day. So that's I would have loved to own some Deere, but I got to tell you the truth. If it, when it does this, I'm out. I'm just out. I don't want that. I don't want that to happen at all. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I want to give the replay value some value. So just remember, I need you to go back and watch the videos, and you could take those videos and look at the market. You can kind of see how I was playing it. Also, remember Friday, this is what we do. We come in live, and I'm a little glitchy I'm trying to work. This is all new, new to me. Generally I'm pre-recording and I'm zipping around. I know exactly what's going on. Now I'm trying to figure out what to click on, what's showing, what's not showing, so you have to give me a little learning curve for that, but that's going to get better. And that's on Fridays. And I'm going to put the link in the description. Come on in. Let's chat. For the most part, we can chat about anything. I like to keep it stock related, but just like we were just talking about the president and COVID, we can talk about anything. But bottom line is we want to make some money. So the market is closed. If I come over here, so I'm up 1,700 today. I didn't do any trading. Actually, I did. It looks like I got some filled orders. What was I? Google. I was in and out of Google. and I put a play on the SPY and the Qs. That didn't work out. But so I lost a little money on that. And I did that when they said Nancy Pelosi told them not to fire the airline pilots, basically, for the most part, because I guess they think they're going to come out with something. Remember, if they fire the airline people, we'll call them people because I don't know who they're going to fire. You can't just turn it back on and they hire it again because they got to go through training. Let's say the pilots are out for 3 weeks ago. They got to all get sim time. There's not that many simulators. It's going to take time to kind of get it going again, because they always training. And when they laid off, they're not training. So you got to do all that training and it takes forever. So we got to keep these people on. You can see a lot of chain reaction. I mean, the jobs number came out today, wasn't as expected. people's losing their jobs. It's, and I can't believe that the government, the Senate and Congress, is basically dangling a piece of meat in front of us. Oh, stimulus is coming. It's not coming. They're not going to put money in all our pockets just before we go to the polls. They're not going to do it. So everything that you see is fake. Yeah, let me pull this up. Everything that you see it's fake. They're just holding the meat in front of us. Oh yeah, we're gonna. Nah, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. They're gonna hold off, and maybe show you, keep you, hey, look what we're gonna work this out, and it's just not gonna happen. So if it happens, hey, I'll be fooled. I'll be shocked, right? So we'll see what happens though. But I don't think that's gonna happen. But she did say she did ask them not to fire them. And maybe there's something behind that, but I don't know. I don't know. But it's gonna get nasty, I think, for these next 3 weeks for the election? About 3 to 4 weeks before the election. It's gonna get kind of nasty. And when I say nasty, I mean like economy wise, right? So where I think we're gonna start hearing just the bad news, coming out, and we'll definitely get some kind of stimulus, I think, once the election happens. But I'm trying to think, will we get it once we vote it, or will we get it once when we know who the president is, or will we get it once we know if the Senate's going to stay red or turn blue? All right, so I don't know about that. All right, so anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. Like this video, share, do whatever you got to do to get me out, because I get no love. I like saying that. Oh man. Yeah, so and definitely check out the videos. I actually think a lot of my notifications ain't going out. I'm like, what's up? What's my notifications? So I don't think they're going out or not. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you have, like I said, any comments, you know what? Yeah, I'll do it later. I was supposed to do something. I'm not gonna do it. I'll just email in the comments. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, and I will speak to you on Monday. Maybe I'll do a video tonight. Tonight, Saturday or Sunday. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. This is Dre Trades. I'm on Twitter, Instagram, and right here, Dre Trades 2 on YouTube. Peace.